Remember to comment below if you want more videos about one specific topic, and do single quote forget to subscribe to the channel.
Signs that it's time to end a relationship after infidelity. No one ever likes to think about their wonderful relationship ending, but for many, infidelity is a deal breaker. It is responsible for 30 of divorces. Couples may try to get back to what they had, but it will depend on how forgiving one partner is, and how committed they are to a process of recovery. If there are kids involved, a couple will often try to patch things up. But if not, or the hurt is too deep, it will be time to end the relationship. Here are some signs to look out for. 1. They say the affair is over, but they are still sneaking around. 2. You feel you just can't trust them. 3. Life is too short to put up with someone who lies and cheats and is so disrespectful. 4. You know you have something to offer someone who will truly appreciate you. 5. You've mulled over the thought of marriage counseling and couples work and decided it is not for you, a waste of energy. 6. The person has changed so much you don't feel you know them anymore. 7. In the course of being with them, you have discovered some character traits you find to be deal breakers. Now that this issue has arisen, you no longer feel you have to be loyal to them or the relationship, and it is time to move on. 8. Things have lost that spark and you are just going through the motions. 9. You have only been staying together for the sake of the kids, but they will grow up and you don't want to waste any more time with someone who does not deserve you. It's time to move on to a new chapter in your life. There would be so many conditions and boundaries in giving things another try that the effort will not be worth it. They have been unfaithful before. They've promised a lot of things in the past but rarely delivered. You feel like they take you for granted and you are tired of being their doormat. You feel too much hurt and betrayal. Sexual activity with them feels wrong or gross. You can't stop dwelling on what happened. You find it depressing to be around them. You get angry and sarcastic when you are around them. You don't feel having this person in your life is a chance for growth and becoming your best self. The opposite is true. You have been roommates only for a long time, not lovers in a committed relationship. The sex isn't, or has never been, that good. They refuse to take responsibility for what happened. They don't seem to care what you think or how you feel. You are the main breadwinner in the family and they are taking advantage. They have cleaned out the family financially, and you just can't afford to have them in your life anymore. They are a danger to you, such as through not practicing safe sex, multiple partners, and so on. Your partner has started to become emotionally or physically abusive. You don't seem to have anything in common anymore. Your vision of your future with that person in your life fills you with dread rather than joy and excitement. It's never easy to face the end of the relationship, but being honest with yourself is a first step to what will hopefully be a better new life.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket. Excuse me, that's a